Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm so excited to share with you something that I have wanted to do for a while, kind of a refresh, but for many of you that just received the newest Be Happy box and received this lovely guided journal that we will be setting up in the next video, so stay tuned for that one coming up. But I wanted to kind of do a special vision board for the journal itself. And anyone that knows me knows that I love dashboards and I love using them to kind of put a little vision board on. So that is what we're going to be doing today, specifically for that journal. And I am so excited to get started with you on that. So if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. Excuse me, and I'm so glad to have you with me here today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so today I'm going to be using, I kind of picked this one out. This did not come with the Be Happy box, but I kind of picked it out because it has gold dots in it. But I also look for ones that are really clear as they can be, because that makes for the best vision boards, or just single colored, not busy. Like the ones that are really busy never look good. So that is what we're going to be using it in that sense. So I pulled a few things. Now I do have another vision board that I've made on those, and you've seen me make a vision board before, but I pulled a few things. Specifically, I want stuff that's kind of dedicated to, making me feel calm and relaxed and empowered. That's kind of what this one's more dedicated to. So it's not specifically goals, it's just kind of more of how I want to feel because of the result of using this journal. And I think it's very powerful and very important. So I, of course, am going to use the sticker book from the Teresa Collins box. And I'm going to use these puffy stickers and a few other things. I'm going to pull actually some of these Erin Condren inspo cards was really what kind of came to mind. So I'm going to look through them and see which one fits. And like I said, this is designed to make me feel empowered as I am using my journal and really inspire me. So now this sticker might be awesome. You, not them. I think I will use this sticker. I'm not sure exactly. I'm going to think about that for a second. But what I kind of do first is going to get an idea of what I want to use and what I want to do. And then I kind of map it out. So I thought this create your own sunshine was cute to kind of put in the center. This came with the Happy Planner. They used to have cards, I think, for memory keeping, but I'm not sure if they still sell them any longer. All right, let's see. And all that you do with gratitude. That one might be one. Passion and purpose give you progress. That might be another. When you don't know what to do, do what you know. Work hard to be proud of what you achieve. That might be another. The more you do, the more you dream, the further you get. Okay. These are all great, but I think I like this color scheme. So I think what I'm going to do is those two. And I like to kind of, like I said, map it out a little bit, see what I feel like is going to be the best way to do it. And I might trim these up a little bit, although I love them, so I don't know totally. And then kind of lay it out. Yeah, okay. All right, so then what I'm going to do is take some stickers that I know I will need. And I love these little box stickers. Like these ones are great because I write stuff in them, although I'd like some more half squared. So let's see if they're in there. I think there was some. Maybe not. The little black one's cute, so maybe I'll use that one. These are like thicker sticker pages. All right, so what I'm going to do to start, and I do have glue dots that I use a lot of times as well, and I might have to use some of those, but I think sometimes a better way to do it is just try to stick them down with stickers. So what I'll probably do is, although this kills me, I love these little inspo cards. I hate cutting them, but it can be easier sometimes when there's not as much space on them. And these are not straight lines at all. I don't know if you can tell, but they're not. And then I'm going to kind of lay that a little bit symmetrical and just kind of put this sticker over the top where I will write on. And then for these I like to just take a couple glue dots in the back. Ooh. And then just kind of, I'm just going to kind of tilt that one and do the same. Oh, did I break? Oh, it's gone. I'm out. I never realized these run out eventually. Well, now I got to put that on my purchase list. Can't live without some glue dots, man. Good thing I'm going to Hobby Lobby soon. Okay. Let's see if there's any more. Yep. Sometimes I find that I roll past some eventually in this thing. And, okay. Don't mark me as your model of how to do glue dots because clearly you can see my skill level. Okay, so then as I'm taking some of these away, I'm going to start to brighten it up with some pink colors. And I love these. They almost look like little band-aids, but these are super cute just to like add a little flair to things. Super cute. Kindness is magic. I love that sticker. That's so cute. And then this is, this is for a monthly, so you have that little box. And then I will probably, I like to take these and just kind of cover that little box up. So you can see that that will be cute. So obviously, clearly these were too big. I didn't decide to use these, so we'll move those out of the way. I'll use them for something very special in the future, but I am going to pop open these. Okay, and then I love these flowers and these pink colorful, oh, Boss Babe, I like that little sticker too. For the top, anyone who knows that I recently learned what these were for, but ooh, they are for the actual page inserts, but oh gosh, that's like way crooked. But I think that they work good on these too because you can there we go. You can write kind of what it is and how you're going to use that particular page, and then you pull it off if you don't need to continue on using it. So I want some of these really pretty flowers. I bought the botanicals book, and I really thought I was going to use that more than I did, but I've decided I need to calm my sticker purchasing down because I haven't used as many of all my stickers as I need to. So yeah, just throw a couple around, make it look super fun. And then really getting back to the boxes, I don't like to overcrowd it with boxes, but I do want to write down a few things that are important to me and special to me. So make sure you leave yourself room to fit in a couple of blank boxes for you to use. And it doesn't mean you have to use them right that minute. It just means that you want them available for, when you want to add maybe a vision or goal or something. Like I said, this one's more dedicated to wellness for me. It's not dedicated to, that's a goal of mine, but not dedicated as much to you know, financial goals or anything like that. Just mostly a wellness goal of just how I will not be exactly the right place. You know, how I want to feel when using this journal. So that is what I'm focusing on, and that's what I'm going to be using it for. But you do you. So don't feel like because I'm using it a specific way, you have to do that as well. This is completely for you to feel empowered by it and, you know, excited by it and to give yourself some pep when using it. I also, you know, it is obviously not just single-sided, it's double-sided, so you can feel free to use the back as well. I'm just always more geared towards using the front of it, and I don't know why. I just always have been. So I don't really put things on the back. I just leave it. But you could. You know, there's no rules, right? Who made these rules anyways? Okay, let's see. Wake up, be awesome, stay kind, repeat, make today count, put your heart into it. Good vibes. I am what I believe I am. I love that. Teresa Collins. I love that sticker. Puffy sticker. I am what I believe I am. Look how fun that is. Okay. Dream big often. Start today. Get it done. You've got this. I think I'm just going to put one of these little floral ones. I love the puffy ones, though. Those are so cute. All right. So, I am feeling pretty good about the way that that has turned out. So, the last thing I'm going to do is take a moment to add a couple more of the boxes for, just like I said, little notes, little things that you know, there's no wrong way to do it, so don't feel like you've made an error in that. It's just kind of whatever works for you. Okay, now inhale and exhale. All right, look at that. Look at how cute that turned out. Thank you, Teresa Collins Be Happy Box. But this is going to be so cute in here. What do you think? I think it's looking adorbs already. So now I am ready as we set up this planner, this journal. I am so ready to do it. So do not forget to join me on the next video where we'll be setting this up and I'll be showing you how I'm going to implement it and exactly what I'm going to do with it. And for those of you who are returning or new, you know that this is something I'm super excited about because I love to kind of incorporate those long journals and everything like that. So stick around. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because you will be seeing me set this up very shortly. But for today, we have created this lovely vision board. It is, in my opinion, a vision. It's a vision of beauty. And I cannot wait to put it into my guided journal. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Again, cannot wait to share with you the setup on the next video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the guided journals or just anything like that, I would love to share with you, so make sure to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to answer them. All right, everyone, have a great day.